Don't run.
Many people wahala for a man wey go market go buy over fellow use over fellow use motor, not be fellow use, over fellow use motor. Na yo be just go market go carry Judy Austin come put for heart wey be say e come late because of Judy Austin destroy the respect wey people online ilo get for na. My people, una see wetin just happen, una see the video wey I just put for una. Wonder they say shall never end. Yo now you just open door make devil just enter your house. Like according to the video when I see for social media, my people, he say Judy Austin sent by center to yo because yo they proud for social media say he no God. Go nobody go feed do one. Say na son of Zion. I don't know what to talk am. Say nobody go feed do one. Grandson of Abraham, seed of Abraham. Na him dey use Judy Austin. Then send Judy Austin to him to destroy wetin he don work for, wetin he labor for many years, in happiness, everything about him. Na him dey send Judy Austin, and he no still use the sense. See they talk and say make devil get behind him. Say his house is covered with the blood of Jesus. Instead, he open. Judy Austin, me I just say now only me one they talk and say all those things where yo just they do not be fault. So now manipulate Judy Austin. Judy Austin don't manipulate her to the extent before man fine. Man feel her abandon his wife. Man feel hate his wife. If suddenly he could just wake up say he don't love the woman again or he don't want the marriage again, but he not go forget about the children wey the woman born for am. Understand? E dey hard before man forget about the children. No matter character wey the wife dey perform, the man can never forget about him wife. My people, wetin make yo wetin him wife come do wey be say yo forget about him beautiful children. Judy Austin come carry you only her face you. Now wetin she dey talk na yo dey lis ten. Not even him parents, wetin him parents dey talk, that one just dey follow him ear. He no even dey lis ten to anybody except wetin Judy Austin talk. Sometimes if I dey insult him, I will see the reason. I say this man he don overheat. Judy Austin don use kukus take cook for am, kpekus take cook for am. He don give am many things. He belle don feed up. Because why I dey talk am, my people, there is a lot of things wey make me dey talk all those matter. Okay, you come because of one person, forget about thousand people your support, people wey dey support you, people wey dey encourage you before, people wey love you before, people wey e dey show you more ginger. You understand? When you do the ginger more, understand? You come because of one person, come forget about no, and you come forget about your wife. Maybe now only God know wetin happen between you and your wife. Maybe we just leave that side. But I'm talking about the population of people wey love am. All those online way they insult her before, all of them, they support her, they love him, they support him in any area he need the support. Understand? He forget about all those ones because of one person. Even in beautiful children, before he met Judy Austin, he was having 4 children. Because of the Judy Austin, one buy for his son. Even though that one fair get sickness or you not get sickness, so I don't say the matter na it cause and the matter na it buy the child. For example, say the child get sickness, how will both of them pull eye together? Or for example, in mama high reach ground, you know they think, you know they cry. See my when I just suffer, follow, see what he call they do, all those things. Say the man, woman mind reach ground, she they happy, she go pull high for ground. Notice the way he pikin take they do, and make sure he take care of his pikin well. You guys will understand what they try to talk. Understand? They go notice maybe that kind of thing for not buy the pikin. Understand? because me I no know whether na ordinary handle, but I just see dey talk the way me know, understand. Say for example say woman dey happy, her eye go reach ground, you go see wetin dey happen to her children, understand. Not woman wey be say day go break, man wey suppose to see, man wey suppose dey sleep beside her or he sleep beside him, the man you no dey see am, the man no dey give her happiness, he dey soak her pillow with tears every blessed day. I no go reach ground, that kind thing. Now all those one make me talk, understand guys. So you come because of his Judy Austin come forget about your children to the extent one come buy, one stick by for inside, the one wey stick by you know your stick care whether that one buy you or not buy. Now all those one make me dey talk and say this matter e wear apart, understand. Say he saw all those things wey dey kill you, na just lead you because e no go solve anything, because you really need prayer. Because wetin Judy Austin do, and only God na him go fit save him from Judy Austin. So my people, before I continue, I greet you all according to the time you come across this video. Thank you so much, my amazing people. Please subscribe my viewers all over the world. I do appreciate you guys for always coming around for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And if you are new in our channel, you are welcome. Please do us a favor, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell for us in case anytime we drop any interesting video, you will be notified. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to drop comments as you see this update when I break come. Back to the gist, my country people. The calls, the insult, all those things where we just dey talk, you know they go anything. You know this I want to talk. You know they help anything. Okay, see another guys. A year plus now I will tell they insult you. You not even change anything. It's gonna be like the more they break, the more in the worst. So the prayer now go help you, because you nana devil send you the Austin to him to destroy everything about him. Understand? See the love where you get before. See the support, everything. Even in movie career, everything they go well. If you watch a movie now, for example, say you watch the movie where you dey, just go to comment section now, insult. Now you go see for the movie where you at, which is all those director, producer, the owner of the movie, story writer, they don't need all those ones. Understand? So if you see insult like that, they don't have more strength to even call him again. Encourage, sorry guys, more encourage to call him again. Understand? See there with Judy Austin, so my people, Judy Austin could see more time to do what she not supposed to do. But I trust God though. I dey always dey talk and say, if this love Judy Austin claims say na genuine love, say indeed na really genuine love, it shall be well with both of them. But if not be genuine love, make Judy Austin get her for mind, say no matter how renew she go renew the thing, nothing lasts forever. Nothing on this earth lasts forever. Wetin get beginning get end. So I believe say she dey laugh now, but if forget say na who laugh last, na him laugh the best laugh. Make she just dey do so. If na genuine, but ben a problem not dey, it shall be well with them. But if not be genuine, God in heaven must surely expose Judy Austin. That is the only thing I just have to say to Judy Austin. And I pray may God in heaven open your eye, make you see say na wrong way na in dey go. So thank you so much, my amazing people. How na also see the matter like as I talk am before, make una no forget to drop una watch for comment section. See you guys in our next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.